Hello, welcome to Ulday Search channel. Today we are going to explain you and give you a briefing about the Windows 11 operating system, which is coming to you next few days. And I have deployed it on a virtualized environment because there are so many topics running. UEFI is needed, TPM is needed, hardware is compatibility needed. If your hardware is compatible or not compatible, decide. There are no such glitches. I have installed on without, especially I have selected without any hardware features and without UEFI. So this is the one Windows 11 for you, and I am going to give you some briefing about it. Now we will have a look at it. So as my lab setup, I had already explained you. I have a simple virtual machine on my HP machine, secondary stuff. Not for the lab. I have deployed my virtual machine ESX host. On that I have created one virtual machine. Here is my virtual machine you have seen, and I have installed it. Now we are going to see the connect to the virtual machine, the IP address, username, password, and connect. So I have enabled the RDP on this. It has password. Let me insert the password. Install password. Okay, so here you see this is the RDP of your Windows 11. Now, what are the things which are available? I will give you some briefing about it, not taking your much more time because almost everything is same. Now here the Zoom folder, everything which are available. The start menu they have put it here. It is going into the same way as you go and see normally. If you right click on that start menu, if you go there and right click mouse button, it will give you the same menu as before what you usually get it into your Windows 10 machine. So if I go and run command, then CMD, okay, if I type here IP config, it will show me my configuration of my IP, whatever is IP address, gateway, whatever I have, and other remaining features are almost same. Here if I go to the network properties, here they are giving you some different features. I'm just going to show you here. I'm not going to make something very special. Whereas if I click a right click mouse button, network and internet setting, it is almost same. It's having all the properties of this Ethernet 0 connected, and it is giving you properties. So here DHCP assigned. Okay, now if you go to edit, instead of giving you IP address and Ethernet and the interface, they have made it something looking nice and different way. So instead of DHCP, you go to manually and IP4 on, and then save. It will ask you a DHCP. It is DHCP for IP4. I am saying manually, and it's IP4 off. Then what will happen? I am going to do it online on itself. Now I want to see set data limit to help control data users. This is something new. What you see here, let me see what is that. I'm also watching along with you. Here what is from the last 30 days, it is going to give you the information of what is the statistics of your utilization. Enter the limit. So you can have monthly limit on this interface. Something interesting they have added, but rarely used in the setting. Okay, I didn't find more. This is what statistics, what is given. Okay, come out. Advanced network setting. Here why it shows small, it should show a bigger one. Okay, private network and authentication setting, different setting, IP assignment. Here if I want to edit the IP assignment, edit, and still I didn't find that. If I go to manual setting, I am not able to locate where should, oh, here it is showing IP, and if I say on IP address, now here I have to enter my IP address 192.168.0.187. I am going to keep the same one. Then next, is it showing next? Yes, it is having all same subnet mask 255.55.255.0, and the gateway I want to enter manually 192.168.0.254, which is my gateway here. And what else it is there? Nothing. It is giving you a DNS server entry also. I will put public DNS 10.8.8.8.8 public DNS, encryption, encrypted, alternate DNS server. Many things are coming. IP6 if you want to enable, and then save setting. Okay, it's not going to give something new screen. Let me see what happened in my next window. I will just put the same command ipconfig/all. So you will see that it has given me the same default gateway and DHCP server, all same IPs. Unfortunately, the IP addresses the same which I have assigned manually. I didn't assign on the DHCP. So this is what we want to see next. Unfortunately, there is a this yellow button I cannot use. Okay, what is this we want to see? I will close this here. Edit IP setting. Okay, so this is key for that one. Okay, sign in with your Microsoft account for your budget or widget. And in the next, okay, here the new feature which people are saying is the alarm clock. There is a new alarm clock has been introduced, so which will act as your alarm clock to give you all the features and things. This is one what people are saying all the time. Alarm clock. You are downloading updates. I have the internet connection already connected to this VM also. So what are these available? You can have 5 minutes time, 10 minutes timer, 3 minutes timer, may add a new timer. This is one, all timers are given. Then if we come on this side, what is this? First is the timer, and notification will show you the PC is awake. How many, what is the time, good morning, everything available. Then it has a local time and information. Let me see what it is giving. Add a new city. If I click to my location, is it showing? Or how the location wise map it is not showing? I have to edit. No editor feature, just you have to go and assign manually. Add new city. Okay, sorry, here I have to use Dubai UAE. So now it is giving you multiple times like that. Unfortunately, my date and time setting is not right. I have to change my setting. Let me see how we are going to display and change the time on this machine. because I think it's UAT time. All notification, adjust date and time. Okay, this menu is very small, as usually it should be in bigger size. The thing is that time zone, the time zone is taking. Let me fix the time zone. Okay. So I wanted to see this menu bigger in size, but due to some reason it's going in a smaller size. Okay, time zone is off. Additional sync now. So it will time sync failed. Please check the network connectivity, and it is showing you this is syncing is not there. Okay, additional clocks. Set time zone, and let me change time. Now it has already set time. After that, it's done now. You have to go out from each and every menu. So this is one what activation key is required to activate. They have given some temporary activation, more about HDR display setting change from the remote session. Now we will go about what is there into the I will, since I cannot touch, yes, I can touch now folder and get it. Class. Okay, what is there? What we have seen in the desktop, normal desktop and normal browsing of the drives. If I click my PC, it is giving you disk, everything, and your favorite menu. When you right click the button, expand, open in new window, show more. The PC menu option, manage PC, is not as before. Here earlier there was a manage PC option was there, so that manage PC is not there. And pin to quick access, enter properties, show more option is there. Oh yes, the manage PC is in the show more option. You see, usually with what we see first, how we can manage. So you can have disk manager, virtual disk services, and yeah, it is showing me I have another partition of this remaining and a C drive of 200 GB, and there is no other drive, is only single drive. If I want, I can assign one more drive, and if possible, it will become lengthy, so don't want to go for that. To give you to see whether the mirroring option is there or not. This is all what all the user has defined, is guest, user, administrator, everything. All now you are reaching towards Windows 10 environment. Everything is almost same. The groups are same. Administrator group and who is there in the administrator group. Okay, session and another. I don't want to go into that more detail. If you go to the device manager, here, is there anything where any security device mentioned? I don't see. Network adapter. This is my network adapter. Oh no, come device manager. And software devices. What are the software devices? This is my components which I have added. Nothing is special. And storage controller, universal bus controller, I do not have any such other special security device introduced in it, and it works fine, very well, no issues. I hope we have done thing what we wanted, and we have achieved what we wanted. So as again I will show you this menu where you have because so many menus are clubbing together. Okay, so here download X quick, almost all which are next to the information of Windows 10. There's nothing, few things which are added here. These are the one what we have shown here, and I want to close this setting button, yes, and also I will close this alarm if I am finding it once again. What is that feature? Zoom is already preloaded. So here you have new desktop. One desktop is there, you can add one more desktop for somebody else, and two desktop can be seen. It has multiple monitor supports also. So if you go into display, sorry, thank you. I hope we have already finished, and share and subscribe my channel, Ulday sir. We will be stopping here.